Are you ready to transform your weight loss journey with your morning coffee? Introducing Java Burn, the revolutionary supplement designed to boost your metabolism and enhance fat burning while you enjoy your favorite brew. Java Burn is a unique weight loss supplement that blends seamlessly with coffee. By simply adding a packet to your drink, you may amplify your fat-burning efforts. Experience 3 key benefits. 1. Java Burn's natural ingredients, like green tea and green coffee bean extracts, promote effective weight loss. 2. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, making appetite control easier. 3. Enjoy increased energy levels throughout the day, keeping you motivated. Using Java Burn is easy. Just mix a packet into your morning coffee. It's tasteless and dissolves instantly, making it a hassle-free addition to your routine. You can incorporate Java Burn into smoothies or baked goods for a healthy twist. Join countless satisfied customers who've noticed positive changes in their weight management. Java Burn is made from pure, natural ingredients, ensuring a quality product. Users report feeling rejuvenated and more energized, thanks to its holistic approach to wellness. In summary, Java Burn not only supports weight loss but enhances overall well-being. Boost your metabolism, control your appetite, and elevate your energy levels. Don't wait any longer. Visit the official website to try Java Burn today and experience the difference for yourself.